Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be doing a video from A Man, a Can, a Plan, a Second Helping. Today's video is Cajun Chick Nuts. You've heard of corn nuts? Kind of like that, but not. So what all goes into the Cajun Chick Nuts? 1 14-ounce can garbanzo beans, rinsed and drained. 1.5 teaspoon Cajun seasoning. 2 teaspoons olive oil. So let's begin. Preheat the oven to 375. Mix everything in a bowl. The 1 can of garbanzo beans rinsed and drained. The 1.5 teaspoons of Cajun seasoning. And the 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Mix that until thoroughly combined. Make sure they are all coated. Take a baking sheet, dump your garbanzo beans on the baking sheet, and spread them out in a single layer. So put your Cajun Chick Nuts in a preheated 375-degree oven for 35 to 40 minutes until golden and dry. So after 38 minutes, they are golden and they're dry. We'll let them cool. In fact, some of them are close to being a little overdone, but we will let them cool completely so they can get nice and crispy, and then we will do a taste test. Alright, so after a couple of hours, they did crisp up, and if you do not like Cajun, you can use chili powder, you can use curry powder, salt and pepper, but I just went with the recipe. So here are the chick nuts. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Oh, what is this?
Chick nuts.
Chick nuts.
Kind of like corn nuts, but not.
Okay. Is that why the name's different?
Yeah, these are made out of chickpeas or garbanzo beans.
Okay. And I'm sure everybody's noticed I don't have my voice back yet. I feel pretty good though, comparatively. Not real crunchy. Kind of spicy. There's a crunchy one. So you might need to cook these just a smidgen longer. Some of them are crunchy and some of them are not. Still tastes good though, and they do have a little bit of a kick. I think I would like them a little crunchier than what some of these are. The crunchy one that I got was pretty good. They all taste good, but I'll eat them too fast since they're not crunchy.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.